excited to share with you today. So we have just restocked our car diffusers and I wanted to share with you what you get in the bundle. So we have two different designs. We have the love heart with the paw. So for those of you who are an animal lover, and then we also have the maze design. And these are all stainless steel in rose gold. And all you need to do is you just clip it open. Now in the bundle that you purchase, you also get one of these felt pads, which you just pop inside. And you also get your choice of oil in this really beautiful frosted glass bottle. And all you need to do, it comes with a dropper to make it easier. So you put your felt pad in, grab your oil and add a couple of drops to your felt pad. Now the car diffusers are designed to let the air flow through and let all that beautiful fragrance fill the car. So your car can smell just as amazing as your house. And as you can see, it's got all these little holes which let all the air go through and filter through your car. And then it has a magnet clasp which just closes it. So it can't pull open or fall open. And then you just open it with your nail like that.